Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your profile not showing on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat your profile not showing, you should just go to settings, then we click here apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of Snapchat and you will enter. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page, you will click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Snapchat. When you will find it, you can update your application there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.